Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are installing the first mod on the new 2021 Silverado 2500. That is going to be the interior light kit, LED glow on the interior. We've used it multiple times. It works very well. We've had zero issues, and we're going to be powering it with the expandable circuit. Now, I've shown you these in the past. We've used them for interior lights. We've used them for exterior lights. They do very well, and as you can see, they come in many different shapes and sizes. I may link another video up here that I get a little more in depth with it, but you can get them at your local auto parts store, or you can get them online. We've already got some panels opened up here in the truck here. We had to kind of dive in to figure out how we're going to get the lights from the passenger to the driver's side, or vice versa in your truck. On these new 2500s, the main fuse panel is on your passenger side, not the driver's side like it has been for me in the past. And we pulled some panels off here so we can get a better look at how we're going to pass everything through. It looks pretty simple, so let's get to it. Alrighty, so inside here we have everything ran. It was kind of hard to film at the same time, but we have a light in the front and we have one in the back. Now, these are not those sticky strips. They're actual LED tubes, which I really like. Better mounting options. The control box is going to be right here, or maybe up, so it's going to stay hidden out of the way. All of the cables, these pop out. So you can see I popped it out already, and that's where the wires are running. It's all open in there. You'll see that in a minute, but everything else is hidden all behind the plastic to get to the rear. And now on the passenger side here, power wires, they're going to go into our fuse box, and then we have our light itself. Now this side piece pops all the way off. This is a slide back clip, so be careful with that one. The rest of them are the pull straight out, and as you can see, it is completely hollow under there. And then the lighted gap is where we pulled off and ran the wires from the other side. The fuse box here, you can see where we're coming up with our power. This is where we spliced in the expandable circuit itself. If anybody is interested, this is F41. It's just an info fuse. So if something were to happen, it's not going to cause any major damage to the truck. And basically the ground is going to be right back here. There's always a ground screw somewhere around this fuse box right there. And that is where our ground is. Alrighty guys, we are done. Took an hour or so, not too much time whatsoever. Everything reached perfect for the bigger cab size versus your 1500. You cannot see anything, just standard. Like I mentioned, the control box is down underneath, super simple to reach, and you can basically turn it on and turn it off. Super clean install. I'm glad that it's all open behind there. Nothing is showing. All the wires are hidden all the way down the plastic. Now in the rear, you do not need to zip tie anything because there's actually straps that hold this back piece of stock carpet on, and you can basically slide it underneath those two pieces, leave your excess loose while you move your seat forward and backwards, and it's the same on both sides. Alrighty guys, so that is going to wrap up the video. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. As always, we have the lights going in here. You can kind of see them. Super happy the way it turned out. It is a must-have for anybody because for 30 bucks and a little bit of do-it-yourself, you can have some really cool interior lighting. As the sun starts going down, which is in another month, it'll be getting dark at 5, and it really changes the front of the vehicle. So we're going to leave you here. Stay tuned for the next video. We may have some headlights coming. We may have some bed stuff coming. I'm not sure, but make sure you stay tuned. I'm also going to be giving you a walk around of the new side-by-side that's on the farm. It's sitting right here, so a little sneak peek. There you go. We'll be doing a review on that. Maybe that's the next video. But otherwise, we're going to leave you here, so we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.